I'm pouring Christmas ornaments tonight, and I want to show you what I'm doing. I like to put a coat of white paint or something on my ornament before I pour because it helps the other paint to flow better. So I like to do that. I want to make sure that the ornament is covered. Now, I usually do a dirty cup pour, but tonight I'm going to try something different. And I've never done it before. Tonight I'm going to use this little thing that I got off Mixed Media Girl. The colors I'm using are Prussian Blue from Deco Art, and that's how it's flowing. I only use water to mix it up, and how you can tell if the flow is good is when you do that and it hits the paint in the cup, it doesn't form a thick mound. Then I'm also using Peacock Teal and Bronze Metal. So I've not done this before, but we're going to see how it does. I've also got an empty cup and a spoon. I always keep an empty cup because when the paint runs off, I like to scoop it up, put it in the cup so it doesn't go to waste. Okay, here we go. Now I'm going to have to hold this over here where the top of the ornament isn't very wide. And I'm just going to start pouring this down in there. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to turn it around because these little places there aren't getting the paint and I need to put paint there. And I'm not worried about how it will mix up the design when I turn it like that. I'm just trying something different. If this works out the way I want it to, it is going to be so pretty. Let's see. Okay. Let's put that there. I don't want that blob. So, I don't know. I guess it won't be too bad because that will be on the bottom. But this seems to be flowing okay. But I'll scoop this up and I'll just help it along. I just dab it lightly to make sure it flows down. And this isn't going to hurt the design because the paint will continue to flow. I'm not liking that blob. We'll see how it looks in a few minutes. I didn't like that, so I went back and did a dirty cup straight pour because that blob on top, I just didn't like that. If you're not happy with something, you can go back and change it. Where it was still wet, I just did a little dirty cup like this and poured it over the top. I'm going to do another dirty cup straight pour on this, and I didn't need much because I've already got it coated with white paint. And I'm just going to straight pour. This is tilted. I don't want it tilted, so I'm going to try to straighten this up. I have a lot over here that didn't go down, so I'm going to let that flow for a minute. I've got enough of this paint that I have scraped up from the runoff of these two ornaments, so I used it to coat the ornament before I pour on it. I have my little dirty cup here. Not very much in there because where it's already coated, that's going to help this paint flow. I'm just doing a straight pour. First I go around in a circle to get it to go down the sides, and then I come back and just do a straight pour. Now let's see. Well, it's flowed down really good there, but I need more on this side. So I'm going to tilt it a little bit over here to help it flow down over here. Here are the ornaments. I am in love with these ornaments. They are so pretty. I'm so glad I went back and poured over that one with the dirty cup straight pour. This one, I love it. And then here is all of the paint that I scraped up. You can see where I was scraping that up. That's why I like to use the tablecloth. Where it's plastic, it's easy to scrape that up. But here they are. Absolutely gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed this video watching me pour some Christmas ornaments. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not following me yet, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye everyone.